Hey everyone, this is Victor Inform 3 Echo Foxtrot Zulu handle Neil number Echo India Lima from Bangalore. So I ordered this on 22nd. I ordered three products actually, so I think I should be have received two products. So on unboxing video. So I just cut it with this. I ordered the high coat. We use it for the thread and all. So yeah, I'm about to open this. So we remove this. We first find the RFCharge hat. So let's continue. I think this might be the NanoVNA. I'm not sure, but I think so. And lo and behold, it's NanoVNA. I was right. NanoVNA-H4. Nicely sealed. I'll throw this down. And this is either the SCU-17 or SCU-LAN10. So let's see that. And this is the SCU-LAN10. These are the two things in this box, but now I throw the box and we open this first. So this is for the Yaesu 891, which I'm planning to use. This is a network remote control system, so I can connect the Yaesu 891 to this and this to the internet, which allows me to operate from anywhere in the world. Let's see over here. We have declaration of conformity. We have the 16 DIN pin connector along with two ferrite core beads and also two zip tacks. We then have a USB A to USB A to USB B cable 2 meter length, and then we have the main unit itself. So the ACC, CAT cable, LAN cable and USB cable and DC in. And at the front there is really only this much. So I don't think there is any instruction manual in this, but the simple understanding would be that I connect this and this to the radio. This is optional, I can connect to the computer, but I don't have VGA, so nothing. And this is a LAN cable. So this one directly connect, basically keep the router and the thing nearby. But yeah, so this is the Yaesu SCU-LAN10. Now I'll put this, I'll keep the box, it's useful box. Now that we are done with the SCU, let's come on to the NanoVNA. So yeah. It's a nice cardboard box. I'll just pause the video. And we are back. Let's see. This is the instruction manual for a NanoVNA. It tells you about all the settings that are available here. So let's see. There's a NanoVNA structure map. There's also a QR code that we can scan. I'm not sure what we can do with it. And micro USB card support required, so I'm not sure what that is, but let's see. And this is the beauty over here. Let's see it with all its thing. So this is where we connect the antennas. Let's see if there's power in it, and lo and behold, there is. There's nothing connected right now. As soon as we open this part of the box, we get to see tag over here. I think, let me see. I don't see any place to put this tag, so I'm not sure. Okay, maybe it's for this. So the tag is for the stylus. Okay, I don't think it's for the stylus as well, but yeah, that's a good stylus. And the tag, I don't see any holes on the NanoVNA to insert the tag on. So I'm not sure what's the benefit of the tag. Then we have a USB-C to USB-A. I think that's what charging does. Yeah, it is. And then we have two pigtails. Both exactly the same. We have a USB-C to USB-C, and we have some I think there is one dummy load, one barrel roll connector, another dummy load, and okay, we have three dummy loads. So there are three dummy loads. So let's see what. Let me remove the plastic off of this. Let's switch it on again. See. So today's date in YYMMDD, it is 25 the month is July, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, so it is 07, and today is the 28th and enter. So we now have the correct time. Let's now set the time as well. It is HHMMSS, so right now it is 2 o'clock, so that's 14:56. I'll just put it as 57. And let's see, I'm waiting for the time to become 57. So it's time is always slow when you want to do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and enter. So now the time and date is set, and let's see what's this. I'm not sure. Touch calibration. So that calibrates the touch test. So other than that, we have export settings and all, but right now we're not doing any of that. So it's a nice piece of equipment to get. I'll increase the brightness. So that's all with this unboxing video. And yeah, I think I finally found the groove for the thing. We put it inside this. So 7.3 for now. I'll get an update when I get my SCU LAN 17 or 18. 7.3. Have a pleasant day.